All right, so I'm in the garage and it's nighttime. Light is on, so should be pretty decent. But so what we're doing is the drive mode selector. We got a GT overlay that we're going to put on here. So I'll clean the surface with an alcohol pad here, or a napkin with alcohol in it. Just wipe this off. And if you watch my video with the overlay on the Kia symbol on the outside, and I kind of skipped this step. Same thing though. Clean it off, let it dry. Then I'll take a microfiber towel, wipe it off, make sure it's completely clean, and then we'll apply this overlay on here and try to get it to stick. Okay, so now that we let that dry, we peel the backing off, and this is what the overlay looks like with the back off. And for some reason it won't focus. What'd you get? There you go. So now we'll apply it here and try to get it straight. That's going to be the key. All right, let's see how well the camera will pick this up. Oh, that was terrible. Looks really good. So we'll spend a few minutes just pressing down on it continuously over and over again, just kind of smoothing it out. Let me turn this flash on. All right, so I've been spending a few minutes here still pressing down on this thing, just kind of going, pressing down and then like smoothing it over. So just kind of going back and forth like this, making sure I get the whole thing pressed on there and sealed down. I tried doing this once before on my last finger, and I put it on crooked and it just didn't apply right, and it was pretty sad. So kind of took my time doing it this go around to make sure I did it slow and as meticulous as possible, and I think I may have done a good job here. So all right, moment of truth coming. I'll continue rubbing here for a few more minutes. I just want to make sure I get a good seal on it, and then we'll peel off this clear plastic and see what we have. All right, guys, moment of truth here. I don't know if you're as nervous as I am. Probably not. But I'm gonna rub any more or wipe on it. Run the surface off. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Oh, it's on there. Damn, it looks good. Oh yeah, it'll look better in the sunlight. We'll see. But it's on there, man. Hopefully that holds up. It's kind of like a sticker almost, but it feels like it was done from the factory, like it was meant to be there. Yeah, I might have been off just a tad bit. I scooted this over just slightly this direction. But yeah, it's cool. All right, so it's on there, man. That's gonna be it for this video. I'll leave a link to the where you can get this overlay for the drive mode selector or dial in the description, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. See you on the next one. Peace.